let me get stupid ass. Hello, hey, Chick-fil-A? Alright, whatever, y'all deliver? Look, I need a delivery. Let me get a chicken biscuit. Make sure it got no meat, no cheese.
So then you want...
No vegetables.
So what the fuck you want on it?
Biscuit. Just make it. It'll come out good. Bruh, just make my damn chicken biscuit. Dog. Swear on your Timbs you not fucking with me. How about I don't wear Timbs? I wear Easy.
I don't know what you want me to do. You asked for a
Chicken biscuit.
but don't want the chicken or the biscuit.
All my life, your fucking food services ain't shit. Okay, well, your order ain't shit, so